Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Solve the following equation. The cube root of 9 plus 1 over x plus 1 plus the cube root of 9 plus x over x plus 1 equals 1. Here we want to get the value of x. Please have a good try before you look at the answer. The method of doing this is we let a to be the first term, cube root of 9 plus 1 over 1 plus x, and b to be the second term, that is cube root of 9 plus x over x plus 1. Therefore, we have x cubed equals 9 plus 1 over x plus 1. b cubed equals to 9 plus x over x plus 1. From the original equation, it implies that a plus b equals 1. And we square both sides, we have a squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals 1. From this, we have a cubed plus b cubed equals 18. 1 over x plus 1 plus x over x plus 1 will sum up to 1. So that is equal to 19. We can factorize a cubed plus b cubed as a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. And a plus b equals to 1. So that will be a squared minus ab plus b squared equals 19. From here, a squared plus b squared equals to 1 minus 2ab. So that will be 1 minus 2ab minus ab equals to 19. And therefore, negative 3ab equals to 18. And therefore, ab equals to negative 6. All this, the most important equations are a plus b equals 1 and ab equals to negative 6. We will erase the rest. A plus b equals 1 and ab equals negative 6. We know that ab are roots of the quadratic equation u squared minus u minus 6 equals 0. It means that u minus 3, u plus 2 equals 0. So u equals to 3 or negative 2. This means that ab equals 3 negative 2 or negative 2 3. Each of the case will give me the same answer. This also means that a is either 3 or negative 2. And a equals the cube root of 9 plus 1 over x plus 1 equals 3 or negative 2. So 9 plus 1 over x plus 1 equals 27 or negative 8. 1 over x plus 1 equals 18 or negative 7. X plus 1 equals 1 over 18 or negative 1 over 17. And finally, x equals negative 17 over 18 or negative 18 over 17. You may also try to get the answer by using the expression b, which will also give you the same answer. Means that we have two answers here. It's either x equals to negative 18 over 17 or negative 17 over 18. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.